Hi, this is Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV, and we are down at Jayco's 2026 annual homecoming. So we're standing outside of a Seismic 399 here. We do have this on its way in this color. Look at that. This is the charcoal full body paint, and this is beautiful. Something new Jayco's done for this year is they now have the half bath, and we have ordered every one of our 399s coming in with the half bath. It now has a wall that just conveniently pops out of the way so you can pull your toys in and not lose that space. So you get the best of both worlds with how they have lined that out now for this model year 2026.
What's up? Fancy seeing you here. Yeah, the 399. So this gained a lot of market. This is a floor plan pretty well seen in other manufacturers, but not at the price point that we can offer it on the Seismic because of how many we order. We order a ton of these. We just ordered over $2 million worth of inventory in the last 2 weeks, and that's all fifth wheels. That's all fifth wheels to get geared up for the fall show and to get geared up for fall, because that's where a lot of people are looking for these. You know, because the coolest thing about what they do is, yes, it has a garage. Yes, it has a half bath in the back, but this is a 2-bedroom. This is a dual zone living camper. That's a 3 seasons room. That's a storage room. That's a garage. Because when you walk in, you still have a living room. You still have a kitchen. The old full party sofa, island, kitchen slide, that's a thing of the past. You know, the newest thing and what Jayco's done so well with is the 399 and the 395 are 2 fastest turning fifth wheels, 2 of them I should say. You get a full kitchen. It's hard, you know, you almost have to remind yourself it's a toy hauler, Bruce.
Yeah, right.
You do, man. Because it's like when you walk in, it doesn't feel like a toy hauler. You got the nice big slides, very comfortable area to sit, recliners set up there, big screen TV, and then your fireplace.
What a perfect full-time unit.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like you said, even if you didn't have a toy to put in the back, you have a garage just like you would at home.
Yeah. And every one of them has that deck off the back. So
yeah,
like
true.
When you back up and you go to that river or that mountain stream or wherever, you could drop it down and be sitting out there eating dinner. I mean, that's what this is all about. We love being outside, or else we wouldn't necessarily have campers. We do like some part of that. So it's nice to have that, have the half bath there. You know, again, when we go camping, we're outside a lot. Maybe you're the type that likes to go and jump around the rivers. Maybe you're like the type that goes to beaches or goes hiking. But when you get something like this, you can walk directly into your 3 seasons room and get cleaned up without walking inside your home. So it's, again, it's little things like that, and how it works for you and your family is a big deal. And it has a generator on board. And I can't tell you enough. This is a luxury toy hauler that they call it, with a generator up front for far less than a lot of other luxury fifth wheels. And they don't have generators up front. They don't have a second bedroom. They don't have the versatility of what this gives you here too. So, but yeah, it's kind of just a quick rundown. $399 is what you're in. It's an awesome floor plan, and it can work for a lot of families. Yep, tons of room. Again, we spoke about it in one of our other videos. Look at how deep that slide is. I mean, I can't even touch the wall. I mean, it's a deep slide. It just makes this thing huge. It gives you a full dresser, gives you the bath, gives you a washer dryer prep, gives you the full size closet. And again, small things, porcelain. Porcelain soil. It's not a plastic one that you're replacing after a year because it leaks. So it's nice. Yep. Yeah, that's awesome. That's ingenious.
Yep.
It is. I haven't even tried to open it yet. There you go.
Yeah, earlier on in the video we came back here and this was all open, and Jayco really, you know, is always trying to just make everything just a little bit better all the time, and this is a way that they did it. Look how easy this is to use now.
Yeah, I've never done this yet, so we're gonna figure this out. Wow, look at that.
Got the best of both worlds here. You get the half bath and you don't have to give up any space to get it.
Yep, that's it. It's ingenious.
Yeah.
And then you dump it and it goes right into the gray tank. This is what it does. Push that back up. You have tons of room. That is so nice. It is. Now another thing I want to talk about real quick, and then I know this video's getting a little long. So something that we're starting to see more and more in this industry is a non-ducted dumped air. So a lot of the old ones, you remember, used to be an air conditioner that would drop in, it would blow just in that area. And the only way to control it is on the knobs at the air itself. Well, what you have now is it's thermostatically controlled. You don't have to climb on something to get up there and turn the air down or off. It's all thermostatically controlled, and it actually turns off completely. The old ones that were the dump that you turn up there, the fan always ran. The only thing that was changing was the compressor was turning on and off. So again, this treats it more like residential. So you set the temperature to 70 like it is right now, and it helps maintain that temperature. So that's a neat improvement. We're seeing that on a lot of them on this. We're seeing it on some travel trailers that we're selling a lot of too. They did that. So that makes it really nice.
Yep.
And it does. So.
And got a loft up here.
Yeah, that's right. Good call. Yeah, they changed it. Makes sense. That makes sense. You don't need a loft in your kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
So it's awesome.
Well, that's the Seismic 399, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.